if I had no money, no testimonials, no cool softwares to get me my first few clients, and I only had time and effort, this is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, what I would do to sign my first few clients, which is a completely free method. It's super boring, but if I want to get clients and if I want to actually make money online, I got to do what's boring and, actually make money this way. Okay. So the thing I'm going to use is actually LinkedIn, right? I don't know if you heard it or not, but LinkedIn is a business platform, right? It's not like Instagram where you post your cute dog or whatever. LinkedIn is to do strictly for business, right? For like, meeting people, networking, and that kind of stuff. Okay. So, just gonna be a friend. LinkedIn is better for like professional businesses, like online businesses, for example, targeting marketing agencies, insurance agencies, financials, professionals, and like medical stuff and that kind of stuff. But if you're still targeting like remodeling companies or local businesses, like in the home service niche or whatever, there are still people on there, not as many as the other niches, but you're still able to book appointments, get meetings with them, and actually make money, okay, from those guys. So if you only get one client from the industry, which even you took a lot of time, it still makes sense for you because you put in the effort, you got the money, and now you can use that money to use it for your other stuff to book even more clients. Okay, so what you want to do is go into LinkedIn. If you don't have an account, sign up and make your profile look decent. For example, just put a random picture of a background for a city. That's my hometown city. Profile picture which looks decent, right? You want to look appropriate, not some random guy that looks like a scammer. That's what you want to do. Fill up your profile, right? Add a description and that kind of stuff. If you want to open up my LinkedIn profile, feel free to do so and just copy basically. Okay. Then what you want to do is go into your feed and actually, if you have connections already, cool. If you have connections with people who are in your industry and targeting your target market, even better. If you don't have any connections, go into search bar and find connections or like find like YouTubers and that kind of stuff that are within your niche and have descriptions in your niche. And you start getting more and more and more and more people with this way, and then you have connections that you can connect and find your ideal prospects. Okay. Now for finding those ideal prospects, what you want to do, this is a weird post. What you want to do is go into people's posts and see what they post about. Three actions I ask business owners, so it should be helping B2B acquire high ticket clients organically. So it should be something around my sphere. I'm targeting marketing agencies or like agencies in the marketing industry. So what I do is I go into likes and see what people do exactly. Okay. So for example, I run ads for brands and businesses. Okay, let's see what you got going on. And I can see Maydi or whatever his name is. He is, I don't know, he hasn't got what he does for his business. Building brands that convert, not just impress. Abdi Lime, I don't know, is probably not going to be a good fit for me. Other guy, founder, Not Bad Media, Marketing and Operations. So he's probably going to be a founder of a marketing agency. Not Bad Media. Okay, let's see. He is a marketing associate, storytelling founder, Not Bad Media. Okay, helps early startup founders tell their story. Marketing, yep, seems like a good fit for me. I go ahead, send him a connection request, send it out a note. Okay, and I basically just do that, right? Just looking for true likes and other people's posts and what they have going on. Helping local tradespeople, small businesses. Ethan probably is a good lead. Reiner is also probably a good one. Let's see for Ethan. Yeah, I'm just gonna probably just connect with him, send it out a note. Cool. Reiner, let's see the other guy, what he has going on. From Switzerland. Scale Smarter, AR Power Audits. Yeah, there's just probably be a good fit, send it out a note. And that's one way of doing it. Other way is once you have a connection, you usually see recommended people. You click on see all, and then you also found people that also are recommended to you because due to your network, you probably have similar, people that LinkedIn finds and suggests them to you. So for example, founder, CEO, grow your ads. This means something with advertising. It works for me. Founder, add the social message. Probably gonna work for me. Um, yep, not marketing. I don't know. Yeah, helping B2B agencies. Something probably one of my competitors. Maybe humans build trust. AI builds momentum. Frederick, I help marketing agencies sign their first clients. So that's what I'm recording the video for. It's gonna be free. So just copy me if you want to do it. And yeah, basically just do a lot of like these search for people, for example, founder of a lead agency, right? Just find people and you can see who are, in my case, an agency. In your space, it could be different businesses, and you know, you'll find those people. If you don't even know how to search for them, look for ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, Gemini, whatever, and ask how you can find people in your niche on LinkedIn. Okay, what did you write on their bios? Okay, now third method could be just go into search bar, for example, uh, marketing or like advertising agency owner, right? And we can see that we have people suggesting to us. Boom. For example, we have Jack, #1 roofing ad agency. So he does ads for roofing companies, as it seems. Okay, I can send them connection request without a problem, right? And just do it this way again and again, and again, and just find people, connect with them, and try to book a call with them. Okay, and I'm gonna show you in a sec how we can book calls with them. So David Rooks, yep, seems like a good fit, connect, and basically just do it this way, okay? Now, one thing you have to keep in mind while doing this, if your account is new, or if you haven't done much connection requests or like outreach previously, what you gotta do is start off with 3 connections a day, then you move to 4 connections a day, and keep doing it, right, until you reach 25 connections per day, okay? Why? Because this keeps it safe and it's just easy to do so. Okay, just kind of do it, create a tracking sheet and do it every single day. Increase 1 per day, and you should be reaching 25. And you can go to 30 if you want to, but on my main account, I just keep it at 25, just keep it safe, right? If you have fake accounts and you buy rent LinkedIn accounts, you can go at 30 or even 40, go as up as that, right? Because we don't care about fake accounts, we care about our main account. Okay. Now, what type of messages to send, right? So I actually created a few examples for you that I used before this message. It worked really well for me, and I'm just basically doing slightly things differently now since that's what people pay me for. And so yeah, basically the template is hi name. We built a cool name system that brings X result with X niche looking for your X service every month on a done for you and pay per lead basis. Would you be open to hearing me out? Okay, so that's how it would look like with financial advisors. Hi John, we built a finance OS system that brings 2 to 3 high-ticket B2B clients looking for your time and plan services every month on a done for you and pay per lead basis. Would you be open to hearing me out? Okay, so this is the exact same as the template apart from this word, right? And Finance OS, that's a cool system name. 2 to 3 high-ticket B2B clients, that's what they actually want. Do some market research on your niche. And retirement plan services, that's what they want to sell because that's what makes them the most amount of money, hopefully, right? And this is done with ChatGPT with financial advisors. For remodeling companies, hi Chris, we built a Render Jobs AI, cool system name, system that brings 2 to 3 high-end remodeling jobs with affluent homeowners in the area looking for your whole home renovation services every month on a done for you and pay per lead basis. Would you be able to hear me out? Right? Again, exact same process. This is really simple, cool system. What they want in their result, what type of leads they want, and what services they want to sell. Okay. So yeah, that's the whole system. And if you cannot do that, just go on LinkedIn and just kind of send random connection requests to your potential leads. If that's too boring for you, unfortunately, business is boring. Sorry to break it for you. If you are a snowflake, then just don't do business, I guess, right? But to the ones that who are watching this video, and if you are the one that actually want to get clients, do this, and I promise you, you're gonna get clients eventually. Just stick with it and do it for 2 months, 3 months, however long it takes. If you don't really have any money, just do it. It's a free way to get clients, right? It doesn't get any better than this. So yeah, I appreciate you. If you want to join a Discord community, which is completely free, and you can ask me any questions that I'll answer to you, feel free to click the first link down in the description. It will be my Discord community. Join it, ask any questions, and I'll be able to help you out with anything. Okay? So yeah, appreciate you and have an amazing day.